Hey guys, in this video I picked up a cool new product. It's some floating center caps for a C8 Corvette by DynamicCaps. Let's get them installed and check them out.
Don't you just hate showing up to a car show and your center caps are upside down? Well, DynamicCaps solves that problem with this floating center cap kit. I purchased this kit recently to see if it's worth your time and money installing them and how good they really are. Each cap is 3D printed with a metal center to it, and as you spin them, they always land right side up. And on the back side, you can see the 5 clips that hold it into place on your wheel. So you don't actually have to remove your wheel to install these. You can use an old Visa gift card and just pop them out without damaging your wheels at all. Next, you want to grab a pair of needle nose pliers. On the back of the cap, there are these little clips that you're now going to squeeze together to push the main cap off of the housing. There's 4 sets of these clips. You just need to carefully go around, don't squeeze too hard, just squeeze them, and then using your fingers on the other hand, you can try and separate the cap from the backing. Once you've got it going, it's very easy to remove it from the main housing. Get that one last clip and you're done. And looking closely, you can see all of those clips are still intact. Spin your new dynamic cap so you can see where it lands. There's a little arrow at the bottom that points where down is. On your original cap, look at the point at the bottom of the logo, line it up with the arrow on the dynamic cap, and clip it into place. Now DynamicCaps provides this handy little spacer. Put it in between the spinning surfaces, then you can clip your cap in easily without damaging anything. Go all the way around and make sure that all 4 clips are snapped in securely. And when you're done, test it out. Now go over to your wheel and clip it in. Go ahead and give it a test spin. It's now the same process for the other 3 wheels. Just remove the cap, separate the 2 pieces, and clip it into the new dynamic cap. Reinstall them into your wheels, and you're good to go.
As you can see, these are really easy to install. You don't have to worry about taking your wheels off. I've shown you how you can pry off the cap with a used gift card. You separate the cap from the housing, and then you just clip it back into the new floating caps. They're self-leveling. They self-level up to about 20 miles an hour, and then they will spin with the wheel. And as you come to a stop, they will self-level again. Really cool, looks great, and you're gonna look fantastic pulling up into a car show with your center caps leveled as you drive by. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.